The fourth method of sampling is called cluster sampling. Cluster sampling is where we're going to take my population, divide it up into groups again, but this time my groups are going to be mixed. They're going to be heterogeneous. And from my heterogeneous subgroups, I'm going to randomly select which group to talk to, and then I talk to everybody in that group. So you'll see here from the illustration, my population is 24 people. I divided these 24 people up into 6 groups of 4. I randomly choose 2 groups out of the 6, and then I talk to all members of those 2 groups. That's considered cluster sampling. For most students, cluster sampling is a little confusing when you compare it to stratified sampling. So let's talk about that one more time. Stratified sampling is where we are going to divide the population into groups, but these groups all have some sort of common attribute or they're homogeneous. They have something in common. And then we're going to take, of those groups we just created, we're going to simple random sample from each of the groups. Cluster sampling. Again, we are going to take our population divided into groups, but this time my groups are going to be mixed. They're going to be heterogeneous. There's no real common attribute between them. It's just a group of people. From those groups that I just created, I'm going to randomly select the group or groups that I want to talk to, and then I talk to everybody in those groups. And that's how we look at cluster sampling.